Alright, Shayla, where are we at?
McKinney.
What are we doing?
McKinney State.
And we're going.
It's still on there.
Hey Siri, start an outdoor walk. Should have done that already. Should have said hike actually, but anyways, we're about 0.1 mile into the day and we're already on a detour, I guess. Just saw a French bulldog that was super adorbs. So there's a huge rock over here that Shayla wants to climb up on her birthday.
It's my birthday.
And probably any other cool rocks that we find.
A big rock.
It's a massive rock. Wet. These are like perfect shoes for this. I think I should get on Sam's Club right and buy another pair of these shoes.
Oh, awesome shoes.
I want to jump, but I'm not gonna.
I know.
You know what I mean?
I wanted to
Like I could totally do this, but it is so not worth it. Wait, what would happen if I fell? I would break my leg.
There's another rock down there.
And so here's a
It's
river
not that
here.
far
Do we
down.
know what the name of this river is? Is it called McKinney? We're in
No, it's
Austin, Texas.
Onion.
Yeah.
Isn't this Onion Creek?
Yes. I think so. Onion something.
We could go down there and go
Yeah.
down the river. The Onion.
Ken.
We could go to the Onion.
We were gonna do, we're in between, there's like a north and a south sort of, maybe it's east and west, I'm not sure, but we basically have like 2-3 mile loops we're gonna do, and this is like a half-mile trail in between that we've already ventured off of. And Shayla's trying to break our legs on.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah. This is kind of perfect. Look at that little thing.
Oh, let's go
Look,
through
hey,
there.
watch out.
You're a monkey.
Look at the amount of it's like the perfect amount of flexibility in that tree.
We go that way?
Yeah, after we
After this one?
do a homeless check. Look at this.
Oh, that's cool.
We want to go that way.
We don't
Can't
want to go that
every
way?
You know what I mean? We gotta...
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Until I hit my head
We
on a
just go to
rock.
the visitor center and get some energy bars or something. Energy juice.
That's what my drink is.
Energy cream. This is perfect for 360. Put you right up in there, mate. I love the cold surfaces, rock.
Yeah.
How is this so much smaller than I realized?
It's a lot smaller than I thought, too.
Found a beer can.
Oh, that's really tiny. This is like for animals, I think. This is too small. Oh, here we go.
If we fall here, you won't break a leg, but you will fall in the river.
This is spiky. That's spiky.
Ooh, that is crazy looking.
Yeah.
That's like,
I think they're wild. Are they roses? No.
I think we found a homeless camp.
There's nothing here. Oh, there's a bag. There's trash. For sure. A little one.
Shall we?
It looks untrafficked, though, with all the dried leaves on the ground. It doesn't.
I think the railroad tie over here.
We could climb.
I don't know. I think we have more. I want to find a better climb, I think, maybe. All right, so you want to go this way or back to the top?
I don't know.
What'd be cool is if we go this way and then hook back upstairs or whatever to where we were.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
You're funny. Sorry.
Look at this. This little stash of nuts.
Oh, you were taking. Why did you put those in there? That's weird.
I mean, can
That's
this
neat.
squirrel even get there? What is that? Like,
No.
it's like a
Person did that.
yeah.
For sure.
It's like a
A geocache.
Yeah.
Of
Like they're
acorns.
like the squirrels are in a video game. Ooh, they're rock.
Should put a little.
They're
text below
bouldering
here.
over here.
A little like.
They're bouldering, practicing rock climbing.
Oh really?
Yeah. I don't know if I want to interrupt them.
No, they have like a whole thing set up. Can we go around? Why not?
You can go film them.
Yeah, so we can't go through?
I have no idea.
Should we ask?
I don't know if I want to film them right now. I'm filming. I don't know if I want to. I'm sure that people, if anybody watches this, they want to see it. It's up to you.
I don't know, we might have to walk on their mat. I would feel bad if I had to walk on their mat.
Let's go upstairs and look down at them.
Okay.
Oh, I need to get some of this stuff up the bottom of my feet.
On the bottom of your feet? What?
It's just a little damp on the bottom of my feet. Yeah.
Where'd you step in?
Door was here. Nothing. It's fine. I just talking. Just babbling.
Is this the way we go?
No.
No.
Well, I mean, we should be able to go this way. We just didn't come this way, right?
Right.
We went over the top.
Yeah. No, we can totally go this way.
Maybe we did.
We could climb the top of them.